Okay, this is a Keystone. Says there it is a K-101Z automatic. And I put it on video just to show that it works. Let me go here where it says the on and off. So I go reverse. Back into off. Now we go forward. Back to off. We go, and then I'm going to do still and reverse that way. There's a still where there's like a blower there, and reverse right there. So it looks in almost perfect condition. The only thing I noticed was there's a lamp on-off switch. There's a lamp switch there that I don't have the plug there too, so that's the only thing that I cannot see missing, but it has basically everything else. So just wanted to show a quick video of it and just make a bid. Thanks.